Hello, Gelly Asofsky here with Parenting with Gelly. Today's mental health tip is about the power of EMDR. EMDR therapy stands for, in short, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. You don't need to remember that. What you need to know is that EMDR is an effective trauma therapy. Whether you're dealing with a history of abuse, neglect, maltreatment, or you're dealing with the after effects of a fire, God forbid, or a car accident, EMDR is really, really effective. The brain science behind it is very simple. Scientists have taken apart what happens in the deepest period of our sleep, REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, and replicated that in helping us take care of trauma using the power of eye movements, where a therapist is trained. It's a lot of training to use eye movements to facilitate your brain's resolution of dysfunctionally stored memories. Why am I talking about this today? Because my daughter had an amazing miracle last week. I don't know what happened, but she was driving somewhere locally with her 7-week-old baby buckled in the back of the car, and her car went flying. She luckily landed in someone's bushes, narrowly avoiding 2 trees, and a gate prevented her from her car flying further onto other cars and other homes. Baby and mom came out without a scratch. I think she has 2 little dots and on her hand and a tiny little swelling on her foot, which is gone by now. But it was a terrible shock. And frankly, it was a terrible shock to me because I was on the phone with her. And so I heard it happening. Mommy, I don't know what's happening. I'm flying. I crashed. I'm in the bushes. I don't know what's going on. It was 5 minutes before I was getting on telehealth to see a client. I said, "Where are you?" And she said, "I don't know." And my husband had even more vicarious trauma because he heard me talking to her. And she was using the Bluetooth on the phone, so totally legal to talk. And we just don't know what happened. Thank God she's okay, baby's okay, I'm okay, everyone's okay. But EMDR has a specific protocol, which is called RTEP, the Recent Trauma Events Protocol. I did the Recent Trauma Events Protocol for myself, and at the end of the day, I went over to a colleague, talked it over because there was still something that was niggling me, and we did a little RTEP on me, and I realized that, 17 years ago, I had a head-on collision with a truck and my car flew. And that was when I first learned about the power of EMDR, because that was what healed me, helped me heal. So I did some RTEP on myself, and I will be doing RTEP with my daughter. Even though she feels totally okay, I want to make sure as a parent that I give her the best that I've got. Usually you don't do EMDR on your relatives, anybody around you, but with a car accident, it's something that is okay. So EMDR is my magic jam that I use when people come in with stuff that's really bothering them and that is just sitting stuck in their brain and not letting them move forth with their life. So that's why I'm here today, to just bring attention to the power of EMDR and to just put it out there. If you're suffering with something, if you're in therapy for, a childhood that was difficult or something, anything that is traumatic of some sort, check in with your therapist. Do they know about EMDR? Would they recommend that you seek EMDR treatment to help you overcome a specific issue? You're worth it. Here's to a great day.